Hi guys, CJ here of YugaTech, and earlier this month, Samsung has unveiled their new A-series lineup with the Galaxy A36 and A56. Based on the title of this video, you can most likely guess what we'll talk about today. So what's new with the new Samsung Galaxy A56 5G? We're gonna find out for ourselves today in this hands-on review. Let's get right to it. To start things off, you get a metal frame and a glass back panel with the Samsung Galaxy A56. The three camera dots are now connected in one island, resembling that of an offline stoplight. Other than that, you have a very similar design as last year's model, the Galaxy A55 more or less. Our review unit comes in a light gray colorway, but there are also pink and graphite color options too. You also get IP67 dust and water resistance on this phone, so it can handle some droplets here and there. Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protects the smartphone from the rear and the front as well, but I'd always recommend getting a case and a screen protector for your device. You have the volume and power button on the right side, one of the two stereo speakers that's in the earpiece and microphone at the top, while the USB-C port, SIM card slot, and the second loudspeaker are at the bottom. For biometrics, there's face recognition and in-display fingerprint sensor. Both respond almost instantly, but the fingerprint biometrics is more secure in our opinion. Moving on to display, the Galaxy A56 sports a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED panel with up to 100Hz refresh rate and 1200 nits of peak brightness. Bezels are thin enough for you to view while watching videos or going through social media. You have loud audio and vibrant colors, but how's the quality to be exact? We'll get into that more in our full review, so make sure to hit that subscribe and bell icon and we'll keep you posted. For optics, you get a 50MP main shooter with OIS, followed by a 12MP ultra-wide sensor and 5MP macro lens. Meanwhile, a 12MP selfie camera is equipped on the front. As expected from Samsung, it shines in taking photos in well-lit environments, being able to capture sharp details. This is what you would expect for a device of this price range, but we'll talk more about this in our full review. Here are more of our sample shots for you to check here. As for video recording, the phone can shoot up to 4K at 30 frames per second from both the rear and the front. Am I on? Okay. So this is the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G shooting at 4K at 30 frames per second or UHD at the rear camera. So this is the main camera. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments below. Yo, this is the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G shooting at 4K at 30 frames per second or UHD. So what do you guys think? Let us know in the comments below. Bye! When it comes to performance, the Galaxy A56 is powered by the company's newest Exynos 1580 chipset. It's able to hit around 900,000 points in Antutu. During our initial game sessions, we played Wuthering Waves at standard graphics and the game ran smoothly. For configuration, our device comes with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. But there's also a 256GB variant. RAM can be extended up to 8GB more with RAM+. Software-wise, you get One UI 7 based on Android 15. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 flagship lineup is still stuck to One UI 6 Android 14 till this day, so there's clearly an advantage here. Samsung states that the A-series will have up to 6 major OS updates along with 6 years of security patches. It features Google's Circle to Search as well as the so-called awesome intelligence tools like Best Face, Object Eraser, and the like. There's a thing called Labs where you can try Samsung's experimental features. The current one as of making this video is multi-window for all apps. The Galaxy A56 supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, digital key, and GPS. Battery-wise, the A56 packs a 5000 mAh unit paired with 45 watts of charging. It should last you almost a day's worth of use. As for the price, the Samsung Galaxy A56 sets you back 23,990 pesos for the 128GB variant, while the 256GB storage option goes for 25,990 pesos. To wrap things up, the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G looks like a decent smartphone to be your next daily driver. We can't give our full verdict just yet, so stay tuned for our full review. So hey, what do you guys think of the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you find this content helpful and informative, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. Follow us on our socials and videotech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye! See you later!